Fox's Transylvania. It is a blue-based black, and so I don't want my hair to turn green because it's platinum blonde right now. Not right now, it's pink right now. That's why I dyed my hair pink first. So let's go. Black, let's go. It's so dark. It kind of smells like barn. It smells like cow poop. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. And the great thing about this hair combo is that it washes out silver. Okay, I'm gonna leave this in my hair for 20 minutes and I will be back. My hair is black now. It looks so good. I did end up having a streak of silver because I didn't incorporate the black well enough. I think it's fine. I think it looks cute. I accept it the way that it is. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.